Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn how to add product to your Shopify store. Whether you are setting up your store for first time or updating your product listing, this simple guide will show you how. Let's get started. Log into Shopify admin dashboard. If you don't have a Shopify account yet, you can start a free trial at shopify.com. Once you are logged in, you will take onto your Shopify admin dashboard. To add a new product, go to the left hand sidebar and click on products. Now you will see a list of your existing products if you are in. To add a new product, click on the add product button at the top right. This will bring you to the product detail page where you can enter all the information about your new product. First up, enter the title of your product. This should be clear and descriptive. Think about what your customer would search for. Next, add a detailed description of your product. This is where you can highlight features, benefits, and any other important details. If you need some help coming up with description, you can use that generate text tool. That some keyword choose the tone you want to have your description using AI. Scroll down to media to add images or videos of your product. Click upload mode to upload files from your computer. Here I am choosing the select XST. High quality images are crucial, so ensure they are clear and effectively showcase your product. Under pricing, you will enter the price of your product. If you have a compared price, like if there is a sale or discount, you can add that here as well. The cost per item is optional but useful for tracking your margins. Now let's move on to the inventory section. Here you can enter your product SKU or barcode which help track your inventory. You can also enable track quantity if you want Shopify to keep tabs on your stock levels and set up a continue selling when out of stock option if you wish. You will also see fields for managing inventory across multiple locations. You can specify stock levels at different locations by selecting the location from the drop down menu. Next is the shipping section. Enter the weight of your product if you are using Shopify shipping setting. You can also specify whether the product requires shipping or if it's a digital product. Scroll down to the variant section. If your product has a different options like size or colors, add a variant, click add option to set this option. For example, size, enter different sizes, small, medium, large. For color, click add another option to specify colors. For each variant, you can set the price and quantity available. Additionally, you can use the category meta field to add specific tags or categories that suits your product attributes. This can be especially useful for advanced filtering or custom collections. Finally, in the organization section, you can add product type, vendor, and collection, help categorize your product and make it easier for customers to find. Once you have filled all the details, review everything to make sure it's accurate. When you are ready, click Save to publish your product. If you are not ready to get live just yet, you can click Save as a draft and come back to it later. And that's it, your product is now added to your Shopify store. If you want to see how to look on your store, go to your online store and navigate to the product page. I hope you found this guide useful. If you did, please give us a like and drop any questions or comments below. Thanks for watching.